Welcome everyone. This video is going to show you why a guitar tech should not attempt to do luthier work. As you see, we have a pretty nasty neck break here. Well, I'm going to attempt to fix this the wrong way. Not the correct way, you heard me right, the wrong way. I probably should add splines to this, but we're not going to. We're just going to try something else and pray that it works in the end. So, boys and girls, don't do this at home. Alright, this here is going to be regret number 1 I just made. Ooh, looky, touchy touchy. That's truss rod. Alright, let's keep moving forward. Alright, so I just whipped up a batch of pre-made hide glue. And we're just going to go ahead and pour this in. This stuff is pretty thick. I would have used hot hide glue, but not knowing what the heck I'm doing, I probably wouldn't have had time to get everything clamped up and put together. Now that's the prettiest, ugliest thing I've ever seen. But she's glued up. And there's the reason why I made the regret. Let's pretend we never saw that chunk up there near the neck. Now we're going to make some sawdust. We're going to make a wood filler. Fill in those big gaps. Now we're going to get some long strand maple, because my thought process on this was use some long strand maple, kind of make it like a fiberglass type mixture with hide glue. See? Just like that. And we just go ahead and just stick that in there. If there's any luthiers out there or guitar builders watching this, I'm sorry. I know it's probably very, very painful right now to watch this. If you made it this far in the video and you haven't passed out of a heart attack yet, please hit the like and subscribe button. So, I didn't record me painting. I apologize. It's an actual boring process, so I figured we'd just go ahead and skip and get right to the polishing part. Alright, and we're done. It came out looking okay, for the most part. Will it hold? Well, I guess we're going to have to find out in a later video down the road. If you're still watching, I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you all.